Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Friendship Primary from St. Catherine going up against St. Richard's Primary from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Friendship Primary won and decided to send St. Richard's Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. Richard's Primary and Bible knowledge. Who preached the sermon on the day of Pentecost as recorded in the book of Acts?
Peter.
Correct. Friendship. From which city was Saul, who later became the Apostle Paul?
Farsi.
Incorrect, it's Tarsus. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this person. Incorrect, it's Daniel Lawrence MP. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Homer Davis.
Correct. St. Richard's for science. What is the name of the larval stage of a moth?
Caterpillar.
That is correct. I'm going to ask you to tone down the volume. No need to shout. Friendship, what is the name of the larval stage of a housefly?
Maggot.
That's right. Television is a visual. This is for St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Wilmer Flintstone.
Incorrect. It's Pearl Slaghopel from the Flintstones. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Green alien.
Incorrect. It's the Great Gazoo, also from the Flintstones. English language, St. Richard's, spell conspicuous.
C-O-N-S-P-I-C-I-O-U-S? No, C-U-O-U-S.
Incorrect. It is C-O-N-S-P-I-C-U-O-U-S. Friendship, spell intriguing.
Mine, intriguing. I-N-T-R-I-G-I-N-G.
That is incorrect. It is I-N-T-R-I-G-U-I-N-G. Sports, it's a visual. This is for St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this cricketer.
Virat Kohli.
That is correct. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this cricketer.
Shea Hope.
Incorrect. It's Aidan Markram from South Africa. General knowledge, St. Richard's. What is the capital of Norway?
Oslo.
Correct. Friendship, what is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
That is correct. Just a reminder, we can keep the volume down a little bit. Social studies, St. Richard's. In what year was former Jamaican Prime Minister Edward Seaga born?
1930.
Incorrect. It's 1923. Friendship, in what year was former Jamaican Prime Minister P.J. Patterson born?
1935.
That is correct. Music, St. Richard's. What is the stage name of the Jamaican dancehall artist Clifford Smith?
Mr. Vegas.
That's right. Friendship, what is the stage name of the Jamaican dancehall artist Rihanna Devon Gordon?
Sizzla Kalanji.
Incorrect, it's Busy Signal. Mathematics, St. Richard's. What is the mean of 97, 83, and 51?
77.
That's right. Friendship, what is the mean of 88, 69, and 98?
34.
Incorrect, it's 85. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Friendship Primary on 4 and St. Richard's Primary on 6. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Ask your teacher for feedback on assignments so you can improve next time. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.